Welcome to this short video on our pipe editor, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. This is one of our most popular tools, so we've made some modifications to it and we wanted to show it to you here. So as you can see in here, I got a pipe network and the pipes are all over the place. And to do it in Civil 3D and try to set that grade, it's not that easy. It's a little easier now with some of the new enhancements in Civil 3D, but ours is just a little bit different. So to demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. We're going to go to the Pipes panel and we're going to go to Edit and we're going to go Pipe Editor. At the command line, so let's select your first part. So I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to say let's just select this one here. You get this little dialog box to come up and you can see on the screen the pipes are highlighted here. Now right now you can see this is grayed out. Okay, so that's the one that's going to be calculated. So I could set my start elevation, I could set the slope, and I could set the drop, and it'll automatically calculate the end. Right now it's a star showing you its varying slope. So I'm going to say, what if I set that slope to say 1.7? I'm going to click in here and you're going to see what's going to happen here. Well, I really want to set the drop all to be 0.1. I click on this and you can see I'm now set this entire thing to be at 1 grade. Might just drop this down a little bit more so you can see what's happening. There you can see it's all set at 2 and I've got a 0.1 drop. Now what's happening over in here, what I can do is I can go lock everything else downstream to this point, and so you can see there it's going to maintain the grades in here and the drops that are already there, but it's not going to pick that up. So very quickly I can actually make these modifications. Now I'm not going to do this right now, so I don't want to calculate the end invert. Let's say I like the end invert, I like the start, I want to actually calculate maybe the slope. So I can just click on that and it'll gray it out. So you click on the one you want it to calculate. And so now I could set this to say, what if I set this at 32 with a 0.1 drop? And that's actually going to tell me what the slope is. It's 1.6 slope through there. If I didn't want to turn that on, I could do that, and so it's not going to calculate that. So that's the trick for this tool, is you click on the thing you want to calculate. If I want to calculate the drop, I could click on that, and now I can set these 3 values. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm not going to set, but all I would do is go apply and it would update them all. So I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to go over here to the plan view. Okay, same thing. Here I've got some manholes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up, same place, edit, pipe editor, and I'm going to say let's edit it from here. And I'm going to come on down here to say this one. All right, so same dialog box comes up, but if you look in here, you can see that I've actually displaying the grades on here between all of these. And so same thing, I could say, well, you know what, I really like the end one in there, so I can say let's just calculate the slope. All right, so there it is, and there's the slope right now is at 1, but I'm going to say what if I just set this at 0.1 drop between them all, and now I've got a grade of 1.07. So we can do this in plan view or we can do it in profile view. I'm going to go ahead and just hit apply on that and it would actually calculate those slopes, and I go close. If I just come back over here to my profile view, you'll actually see now I actually set all that grade there at that 1.7. This concludes this short video on editing pipes, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D 2027 release.